Bafethu, there's nothing like happy death. Death is death, and all death is painful. Whether you die sleeping, or you die eating, or you die in a plane headache, or you wake up dying, or you get shot. Every death, it's painful. Rest in peace. And Twanayami, aka, we worked together in your music video, no LTDO. It was so nice. I know you. You were so humble. Whenever we met, you respect the brother, and I respect the son. And then rest in peace to all the others. RIKY RICK, HHP, Mandoza, Brown Dåsh. Hey, the list is endless. Bafethu, Lebo Mathosa, BRENDA FASSIE. Hey, Bafethu, yeah, no, I go cry, Bafethu. No, something must happen. I don't know what it is, but it's not cool. Yeah, not the way you have a corner, aka, hey, asas Bafethu, but I don't interfere, Bafethu, angizingeni, and I'm not judgmental. Asas wenzeni, or hetabobani, or utati cheriagabani, or wenzeni. We are not there, but what I'm saying is that rest in peace, Mfano Mdala. Na bonke laba futhi abashonile before wena. Mshilo, the list is endless. There are many. All of you, rest in peace. Indlela yethu sonke anyway. But I got sonke bafethu.